Hello everyone, this is Second Photo, and today I'm going to unbox and review my Sony MDR XB500 headphone. I've already unboxed this pair of headphones and used them for a month now, so I'll give you my review and impression for this pair of headphones. Before I start, I just want you to know that I'm going to rate every headphones I review from 0 to 10. Let's get started. Here's the box. Here's the back side of the box where you can see the specifications. Here is the instruction manual. Here is the headphone, and now for my review. The headphone has a closed dynamic 40mm dome type driver which produces amazing sound quality. It has a neodymium magnet, a gold-plated L-shaped stereo mini plug, and it has a 3.9 feet or 1.2 meter flat cord. The headphone has a very good build quality. It is light and it is very comfortable, but it is very big. The sound quality of the headphones is extraordinary. The best I've ever heard with a pair of headphones from this price. The bass of the headphones is very deep and very accurate. The highs are good, so as the mids. The headphones do leak, but I don't hear anything outside, except when you are in an airplane. You can definitely hear the engines. The price of the headphones here in Saudi Arabia is 350 Saudi Arabian Riyals or 93 US dollars. The sound quality of the headphone is excellent. The king size cushion makes these headphones very comfortable. This headphone is excellent for the price, but it is really big, and overall I'll give these headphones a 9 out of 10. That is my unboxing and my review of the Sony MDR XB500 headphones. Please rate this video, put your comment down below, and subscribe for more. This is Second Photo, and thank you for watching.